Hi guys, it is me, New Day, New Me, aka Tasha, coming to you with another vlog. This is going to be another test vlog. This actually is going to be a DJI Nano day in my life vlog. So yeah, today is Sunday. I want to put this out. I'm probably gonna I don't know when I'm gonna put it out, but I just want to do an actual vlog testing this Nano out and see how it works. But anywho, I'm getting ready for church and I'm just gonna do my face. I got a little stuff in front of me, so I just really wanted to introduce this vlog. Tell y'all good morning, happy Sunday. Hope you guys are either watching church online or was able to get to church. But yeah, this is a day in my life, a Sunday. This is a regular old Sunday for me. We're gonna go with the flow, see what today get us. But yeah, just want to say hey. So yeah, y'all can watch me get ready for church.
I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I seen another day, seen another breath, and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I know to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am 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 blessed with another chance, I am. I'm blessed with another chance, I am blessed with another chance, I am. And every day, always on my head high, my chest high, but that don't mean I don't cry. Feeling like la 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 la. My enemies, I'ma say bye bye. Energy feeling like I can't fly. I know he loves me, that's why. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. It's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am 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 blessed with another chance, I am. I'm blessed with another chance, I am blessed with another chance, I am blessed, I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am
Alright y'all, so I am getting ready to actually leave for church. So I'm not sure how good the audio is, but y'all currently just mounted on magnetically on my car. So yeah, let me show y'all what I don't know if y'all need to show y'all that. I'm sorry. I got using my monitor. Let me show y'all my outfit for church. I gotta pull this up with it because I'm bending down, it looks like that. So yeah, let me show y'all the outfit. Okay, this is what I'm wearing. This bag and some Air Force Ones. But yeah, that's what I'm wearing. Alright y'all, so right now I am, of course, in the car headed to church. I clipped my hair up to get out my face till I get to church, and I'm gonna do my lip when I get to church. Right now, y'all are mounted on my where I usually put my phone at. Speaking of that, I didn't put my phone on my charger. But yeah, I'm headed to church. It is 11:14. Church is at 12:30. About to stop and give me something to eat because I thought I could wait till after, but I don't think that's a good idea. So I'm going to go give me a bee bag real quick. Yeah. I'm thinking about doing a cleanse, 5-day cleanse. So I think I need to go to the store. I think I'm gonna do the Aiden Garden for 2 days, and then for the rest of the week, just focus on vegetables and fruit. And to do it that way. So yeah, I need to go by the store or do an Walmart delivery for that. But yeah, I don't want to talk too long right here. I just want to, like I say, get different angles and see how this camera works. So yeah, I'm about to get me something to eat, head to church, and I'll see you guys when I get to church, on the way to church, at church. You'll see me in a minute. All right. Hello, can I have a crispy chicken, no lettuce, biggie bag?
Hold on one moment. Crispy chicken, biggie bag. What's the sauce of the drink?
Honey mustard and a tangerine twist, light ice.
I don't have any lemonade today.
Dr. Pepper, light ice.
What else for you?
And on a crispy chicken, no lettuce, please.
Anything else for you?
That'll be it.
648, second window.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's why I'm safe. That's why I'm safe. That's why I'm safe. I'm safe. What's your name? In Jesus. That's why I'm safe. I'm supposed to be. When you hear, you're not late, you're right on time. It's God pushing back against the narrative of the enemy that you're behind schedule, that you're out of place. It's you singing, devil, you're a liar. I'm right where I'm saying. I'm right where I'm saying. Sing it like you mean it. I'm right where I'm supposed to be. Tell somebody beside you, tell them, you're not late, but you're right on time. You're not late, you're right on time. Working for my good. You're right on time. You're not late, but you're right on time. You're not late, right on time. 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 Right on
Alright, I am currently out of church. I am driving now. I got y'all located somewhere different. I actually thought I left the suction tripod at home, but obviously it was in my purse. So I moved you guys to directly in front of me. I just got out of church. I am headed back to my side. I'm gonna try to go to the grocery store real quick on my side to get some of the things I need. Like I said, I know I want to get the stuff for the art garden. I usually make that myself because it's cheaper that way than actually buying that, because I think each one of those are like 20, either way from $15 to $20 a jug, and you need it's 2 days. So yeah, I can make 2 days for $20 or at least 15 probably, because the orange juice is the most expensive thing. But yeah, that's what I'm going to right now. I think I'm probably like 30 minutes out. Church was great. It was real needed, real deserved. My pastor speaks, and when he speaks like little, even some of the things that he spoke. I insert some clips here that I got off my phone. I didn't do the nano, but when he preaches, preaches for sincerity, and he's more of a teacher than a preacher. And he relates the scriptures to everyday life, which I do like and I do enjoy. But yeah, and his principles of the 3 ways of living, it's the world's way, the church way, and then the God's way, the kingdom's way. So we focus on the kingdom's way. The church way sometimes could be, not saying it's all bad, but there's things that Christians or most church people focus on that's not really of God when you really look about it. So, but yeah, the king's way is living God's way, with the life that He wants us to live, not what we as humans are trained or taught or think should be. It's about the king's way. So, yeah. But anyway, let me get to the crib, well, my side, and get to the store. I'll be back with you guys when I actually get to the store. Hopefully, I'm not shaking as much. It's a little shaky, but yeah, let me be back with you when I get to the store. I had to take my jacket off, it got hot, but I'll see you in a few, guys. See you in a few.
This can't be my forever, no. This can't be my forever, no. And I know they don't see what I see. Prayed on my knees for my peace. Wanna see family feel at ease, no. And I know that there's more than this, yeah. And I know that there's more than this. Hey, yeah. I pray for a new song, new day, new life, new season. Pray for the hope gone, restore, find life, new reasons. Pray for the soul lost, find out, find strength, find freedom. Pray, yeah.
This can't be my forever. This can't be, no. This can't be, yeah. This can't be my forever. No. Yeah, yeah. Sometimes I don't even have the words, so I just sit and pray. Every season has its season. Maybe that's enough to wait. Every little thing around me, I know it'll fade till I have you. I know there's more to the pain I'm feeling now. I know there's more to the heartache all around. Somehow I can see it shining like the starlights. It's so hard to see it now, but I'll be alright.
I'll be alright.
Hey guys, I am back. I just got finished doing my face routine, took a shower and all that stuff. So y'all saw me make my Art and Garden juice. When I was getting stuff out the refrigerator, while looking back at the footage, y'all saw some of the mayo from my Burger King I had on my mouth. So excuse that, but I just want to try the little open up the fridge little scene thing to see about that and how that works. But look, I like how it came out so far. So yeah, I just wanted to come and check in with you guys, let y'all know what's going on. I may hear my fan in the background, so I'm not sure. But yeah, so far today has been good. It's currently 9:37. I am fit to get ready to lay down and watch TV till I go to sleep. When I came home and put the groceries up, I kind of like laid around, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I made that drink, so I want to drink that tomorrow. I gotta pour this out, some water out, but it is my Stanley. I'm gonna drink that tomorrow to clean my system out. But yeah, this was a test video of me and my new camera. So far, so good. I have noticed that the magnet is more stronger when I don't put that silicone case on the top part, so that's when I don't got the silicone case. But yeah, so far so good. I do like it. Church was good. Church was a blessing. I said that already. I got the few things I needed from Walmart, not too much. I do still need to go to Aldi's to get my fresh fruit, but I got my frozen fruit for my smoothies. So yeah, this week it's gonna be a little. I'm gonna try to document it on my phone for TikTok. This little fast plan I'm trying to be on this week. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, hit the subscribe button and notification button so you can be notified when I do upload. And I see you guys in the next vlog. So talk to you later. Bye.